Nagpapicture mo ba ako? Nag-video ka ng sarili mo?
So here is Taoyuan City, and here's there. There is a new Taipei City.
Hi guys! So we're here sa Taipei 101 Mall for our first stop and kasama namin ang aming tour guide. His name is Hugo. So ayun, siya bahala sa amin today. Nasa unahan siya. So ang haba ng biyahe from airport to here, parang 1 hour. So medyo nakaidlip pa kami sa biyahe. Mamaya pa check-in namin para mga 3 p.m. Oh, may coach. Oh, ang ganda ng mall. Parang
Siguro dito tayo kasi para
siya.
makapag-alis na.
I let you meet Hugo, guys. Hugo, can you say hi to my friends in the Philippines?
Hi,
Okay.
I'm Hugo. I thought Taiwanese maniakis.
Yes, this is maniakis. Bawal. Do you know in the Philippines there is bawal manyak law? Bawal bastos.
Bastos.
Yes, manyak is like bastos.
Okay. Next year, 2026, we are open.
Wow, vlogger ka rin?
Yes.
Oh, it's like we have a
Vlogathon.
It's like we have a vlogger
Here.
conference. Oh, ang ganda!
Parang nasa Taiwan.
You don't have a fiance?
What's that?
You don't have a girlfriend?
I'm only 15.
Oh my God, really? Oh, yeah, so you still have a girlfriend?
Ayan, binubudol tayo dito ngayon na bumili ng mga jade kineme. Kasi syempre may commission dito yung tour guide namin, di ba? Parang hindi na siya natutuwa.
That's not your mama anymore. That's a chicks.
No, Korean is 막간다. 빨리 가자.
Ikaw makanta.
막가자.
Makanta, ibig sabihin.
막가자.
你朝我起来，过来。
Okay. Oh, don't worry. Okay, now I want to give it press.
Make it bigger. Make it bigger because Mama Ya, you will cover that one.
This one, like this.
Like it.
这样够了啦，可以了。Okay, take
PD.
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 Yes.
What's
And
PD.
yes, inside and close it. Okay, close it.
Okay.
Like this.
How about you?
I didn't pay, so I cannot make it.
Oh,
You know,
you
this
are
one
the-
have to pay.
You
You see, another bus tourists, they didn't pay, so that's why they didn't come here to DIY.
Then
Okay,
we're gonna
rub
run.
in the ball.
Sobrang
take a
masarap.
bottle.
Masarap.
Yes.
You,
masarap.
you like pakaplog?
I
Okay.
like pupu
Inside
pie.
and your head here. Press.
Do you eat adobo?
Okay, like this.
Ito po masarap. Dami
Adobo manok.
kayo.
Okay. Now I finish. Okay, you can DIY yourself.
You make eyebrow for him.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mamaya when you back to hotel, you just eat, okay? Oh.
Where's mine?
No. Mamaya you put it together inside it.
That's for dinner. Where are we right now?
Right now we are in Chiang Kai-shek Memory Hall.
And what's in here?
This is here in it's the National Concert Hall.
Okay, how about this
then-
one?
Okay,
one?
this is a National Theater Hall.
Theater Hall.
Yeah.
And this one?
I'm Guapo.
Oh.
Taiwanese maniakis Hugo Boss, di ba?
And I made about like 100k this week, 300k this week, 100k per show. I got like 3 shows to go, so 100k each, and I put those to the charity. Shh. Body lang Liam. What's going on? Hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, hey. What's going on? Wala ka dyan, Daddy.
Patindi natin. Yan, tigil muna.
Good morning, guys! It's our first full day. Bagay, may full day rin naman kahapon sa Taiwan. So, it's our second day na ngayon sa Taiwan. And kagabi, pagka-uwi namin dito sa hotel, mga around 5:30. Katulog na agad kami ni Lance. Tapos kagigising ko lang kanina mga 8. Ngayon, mga 9. Gagayak na kami kasi 10 ang alis namin. Ito ang aming hotel room. We're staying at CU Hotel. As in CU. Super liit lang. Parang mas malaki pa yung bahay ko. Malaki pa lang yung aking bahay. So today, ang tour namin is sa Jufen. Basta yung parang Spirited Away. At ang view naman sa labas. Ayan o, charan. Hi neighborhood. Divine.
Now take the wide end and with your left hand wrap it all the way around the back like this. Taking the wide end now in your right hand, thread it through the front of this opening. We're going through the front and down this time.
Mali, ang cute mo. Ba't ganito ba't ang baba? Nung oras na. 9:48.
Hi there. I'm going to show you one of the most popular ways to tie a tie.
Hi guys! So we are here sa LUJ Park. Pero maglalakad pa kami papunta doon. Sobrang lamig. Ilang degrees dito nila? 8? Really? Ito?
Hindi, mga 21.
Over. So this is our first stop for today. And ang oras na ay... Ano bang oras? 11:21. 20 degrees ang weather. 19 pala, 19 dito sa Wanli District. So siya po ang nagtatali ng aking necktie because I don't know how to.
It's okay. Piece of a cake.
Piece of a cake.
Yeah.
Piece of a what? Necktie is done.
That's what it is?
Yeah. Thank you. Done.
Mamaya.
Mamaya?
Don't touch. Yeah. Okay?
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Sese.
Uy! Pinoy! Merry Christmas po! Pinoy! Ay, Pinoy, nakakita ka ng Pinoy. Nababan ako nakakita ka ng Pinoy. Mukhang turo-turo. Ikaw, ayan nga.
The islands, this is a yellow jewel park. Right now we are here entrance. So total melon 3 zones here. The first zone, melon the cactus rocks and mushroom rocks like this. And second zone 2, Queen's Head. This is sleeper. And melon earth rock. This is all natural. Oh, natural. You know why? Because you can hear.
Ang lakas ng hangin. Umuulan pa talaga. Talagang inuulan-ulan pa eh. May kasama ko. So, ang view namin ngayon.
Saan mo naman? Parang sino na lang kausap mo eh.
Ate.
So, the rocks that you are seeing are mushrooms.
Mushroom rocks. These are called mushroom rocks.
Ang aesthetic ko, videoan mo ako.
Ang inong to. Ako din po yung
Kaya hindi ako ang may pa.
Ay, ayoko.
Alam nyo guys, yan si Hugo yung aming tourist tour guide. Nakapunta na siya sa Palawan, sa El Nido, Puerto Princesa, sa Siargao.
Ang ina kami hindi pa.
Sa Boracay, 4 na beses na siya nakapunta, kami isa pa lang. Diba? Mas Pilipino pa siya kaysa sa amin.
Kami ngayon sa Yelius Specialty Street. May Tagalog. Dito mura. Bili na kayo. Mas mura dito.
So can you share the bag?
I will buy this in small size. Small.
Small is one,
Yeah.
okay. Small size.
Yeah.
And this one the medium size. Or bigger.
Small is okay. Small.
Isa lang?
Yeah.
No, 3 for 500. Dalawa naman daw.
Laging dinadala ni Dai sa bahay. From Engbitin ata. Tawag sa kanya ay Mahu.
Lost.
Lagi niya
Your
akong
favorite.
Lagi niya akong dinadala na nung bata.
bibigay sa'yo.
Lagi niya akong pinapasalubungan.
Spread it.
Galing sa Engbitin?
Yeah.
From Engbitin.
Ayun na, naganap na ang Budulan. Let's go, Budulan.
1.5.
Budulan galore. Guys, para kang celebrity dito. Diyos ko, kuya. Ano yung tawag sa'yo? Kanya-kanyang offer. Kanya-kanyang discount. Sino ang may lowest price? Here's our food for today. Hindi pa kompleto. Ito ay lotus. Kung ano yan. Di alam. Ito shrimp. These are the sashimi. Tuna and salmon sashimi. And ito ay chicken. Look. Meron pa kaming order atang lapu-lapu and squid. Oh, and sensei.
Hello? So we're here at Shifen Waterfall Park. At harap ka dito. Harap. Half body muna ang picture sa kanya. Kinakabahan na to. Oh. Sir, kinakabahan ka na? Doon ka na. Kinakabahan ka na eh.
You take a picture faster, right? Do a picture.
Hello, pagbilang.
Hindi, lumakad ka na. Maraming nadaan. Kung magsalita ka, maglalakad.
Hello, pagbilang. Insulaan ako nasan tayo ngayon. Tayo nasa Palsabangon Bridge. Ayan.
What the fuck?
Wala na kung ibaba or ilaya. Pag ibaba, ang mahaba. Pag ilaya, ito yung bridge na pinagawa namin doon.
Bagay ba sa akin kante, Bok? Okay na.
Isa pa.
Bagay ba sa akin kante, Bok?
Tanga, isa pa. Hindi pa okay. Yan, 1, 2, 3, go.
Bagay ba sa akin
Wait, isa pa pala, isa pa.
Fuck you!
Tuturo ko ito mamaya magmura sa yoga. Video mo.
Tangina mo in Tagalog is
You're very handsome.
Eh, totoo.
Ay.
If you hate someone and you wanna curse them, say,
Kupal ka.
pukin ang ina mo. Ganon.
Same trip sila ni
You wanna learn a couple of Filipino words?
Sure. Unsa imo pangalan?
What's your name? That means what's your name? I'm gonna give you a better word. So,
Okay.
if you hate someone and you wanna curse them, you say, tang ina mo.
Tang ina mo.
Yeah. You say that's people that you hate. For
Tang
example,
ina mo.
for example,
For example, like you. Tang
no,
ina
not
mo.
me. We're friends. We're friends.
Say it to them.
Yeah.
And-
Tang ina mo.
Yeah. And when you're driving and you encounter a monkey driver, you say, kupal, tang ina mo.
Kupang, tang ina mo.
Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Later, I will teach you more, okay?
Okay,
More
sure.
curse words.
Thank you. My
Say goodbye.
Tagalog teacher.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, so we are here at the Chiffon Old Street kung saan popular yung ganito pagpapalipad ng lanterns. So I think it's their belief na if you put your wish sa lantern and you will let it fly.
Ba't hindi eco-friendly?
Wala naman atang iba.
Four side, huh? Mamaya, you just write four side, okay?
Okay. Hey Hugo, can you tell us what is the belief in this lantern? What do you believe with this
Because
lantern?
it's for Lunar New Year, the New Year, new wishes. So we Taiwanese will come here, Shifen Old Street. Then we'll buy the lantern. Then we'll write down the New Year, new wishes on it. Then let it fly. When fly more high, that means we'll get more dream
chance.
come true.
More chance of
Dream
dream
come
come
true.
Global people.
Here.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so welcome back to another episode of Teaching Tagalog with Hugo.
Oh,
The next one I will teach you is, you keep saying loko-loko.
ikaw loko-loko, I know.
Other term for that is tarantado. You say
Tarantato.
tarantado.
Tarantato.
Yeah,
Tarantato. Okay.
Tarantado ka.
Tarantato. Ikaw.
No, you, tarantado.
Dili ako.
So guys, alis na kami dito sa, Chiffon Old Street, I think. May nilipat na ng location.
Kasya ba na?
Di pa.
Sa cellphone.
Ano ba isa? Video kita dito.
No,
May isa pa?
I don't. I have something for you.
Sama sa phone ko. Tell me something about this place.
100 years ago, here, very famous it's for mining gold.
For mining.
Also before, all the miners, the workers, when they got the gold, then they will bring the gold to come here. This here, the Chopin Old Street, to sell the gold and get money. So that's why here they can buy drinks, they buy chicks,
Yeah.
and even made on before the theater, like the
Theater?
cinema, that kind. Yeah.
In here?
Merong show. Yeah. So mamaya, we can visit the Senping Cinema.
Okay.
And even here you can buy dressing, clothes, chakya,
Chakya?
slipper,
Sleeper.
wooden slipper, just like a Japanese
slippers?
style.
Wooden?
Huh?
Uten?
Wooden.
Uten.
wooden sleeper, just like a
Wooden
Japanese
sleeper.
wear, that kind.
Traffic guys. Traffic sa oldest street oh. Hi. Tumingin.
Well, sobrang traffic dito ngayon, oh.
Go away.
Diyos ko guys, sobrang daming OH. Tingnan nyo naman. Hindi makapag-picture ng aesthetic.
Jump pa.
Diyos ko, sobrang daming tao. Ano ba? Sobrang sikip. Nagtatraffic pati ang mga OH. Kaming palakad ng dire-diretso. Tingnan nyo oh. Ayun yung mga nakatigil pa yung iba dun. Bago pa maka-move forward. Nakapag-picture naman kami pero hindi ganun kaganda lahat. Siguro mga dalawa lang yung maganda doon. Hopeful.
Sabi ni Hugo, if I was a tourist, I wanna go.
Okay, sorry. Gusto namin pumunta dito.
Nawala kami.
Guys.
Saan ba yung kasama namin?
Naiwan kami. At para kami nasa Baguio.
Ang lamig pati.
Diyos ko, atin na kayo atin. Paano kumakit sila dyan?
Okay, so seryoso na. Di talaga namin nilang kung nasan sila. Iwalay tayo, doon kasakit. Ako dito.
Update.
Parang si
Update na
Genesis,
hanap na namin sila.
Parang si Genesis siya guys, oh. Lagi naka-scarf. Bandana. Kami po ay nakabalik na sa aming hotel.
So, ayun po ano? What's up mga paa?
So, ayun po ano.
Power! Power!
Nakabalik na kami sa hotel and mamaya medyo magpapahinga lang
Ay, hindi
kami.
na tayo makakapamasyal.
Tapos pupunta kami sa night market sa baba.